An intercept is a location where a graph intersects with an axis. Here we have a line, and unless it is a horizontal or vertical line, it will cross both the x and the y axis. The point at which a graph crosses the y-axis is called the y-intercept. The point where the graph crosses the x-axis is called the x-intercept. Here we have some coordinates for these intercepts for this line. It'll be noted that in the y-intercept, the x-coordinate is 0, and this is true of any y-intercept. The x-coordinate will always be 0. Because that point is landing on the y-axis, there is no displacement in the x direction. Similarly, we have the same thing going on with the x-intercept. You'll note here that the y-coordinate is 0. It will always be 0 for an x-intercept, showing that there's no displacement in the y direction. That's what puts this point on the x-axis. When we graph curves, it's possible that we may have more than one y-intercept. And here we have a parabola that is opening to the right, and you can see two y-intercepts. It's also possible for a curve, a parabola, to graph that has more than one x-intercept. And the parabola here, we can see that we have the two intercepts as well. In this screen, they're asking us to use the graph and give the coordinates for any x-intercepts and for any y-intercepts. Intercepts, again, are the point at which the graph crosses the x and or y axis. So for the x-intercepts, there are two. The coordinates are -3, 0, 1, 0. And you can see where any and all x-intercepts always have a y-coordinate equal to 0. And for the y-intercept, which is located here, the coordinate is going to be 0, 3. And again, that x-coordinate is 0, which is always the case with a y-intercept.